Super juicy ink, smooth foam pads, rich high quality colors, perfect for stamp layering, ink blending, whatever. There are plenty of reasons why these ink pads are my favorites. Let's create some swatches with them together. When I received this ink swatching bundle from my friends at Carnivale, I knew it's a perfect time to make a swatching video with some tips, and I will also tell you why these ink pads are my most loved and used ones. First, I am gonna create some color combo cards. I have picked the largest die from the Swatch Tag dies. It's a perfect match with the newly released color swatch stamp sets. As you can see, there are solid stamps for the small tag die, so it's up to you which one you prefer. It's coordinating with the mentioned die set. As you can see, I only have to barely touch the stamp with INKPAD. 1 or 2 taps with Carnivale ink pads are enough to cover your image perfectly, and you are ready to stamp. It transfers perfectly, and the result is a bit darker color, but after a few seconds it will have a beautifully smooth finish. After the stamping, you will need to wait a few seconds until it dries. The totally dried image will be as light as the lid. The best thing is that you don't need to repeat the stamping process for the same image, because the stamping result will be solid and smooth, even from one stamping, which is priceless and time-saving as well. And honestly, this is why I have full set syndrome for these ink pads. Through the years, I have collected a pretty nice collection, and I am not planning to stop collecting. To create my color combo guide, I will use my beloved color wheel. I am using it all the time, and I think it's an awesome freebie from Carnivale. I put the link to the description. Don't forget to save it. It will be a nice addition to your crafty stash. As you can see, to choose a new color combo was never easier. I have stamped the ink pad names on the labels and the color combo type as well. I also marked the big ink pads on the sheets with a little star because I have more from the minis. This will be a very useful hint in the future when I am planning a project. Last but not the least, I have also created a few ink blended swatches as well, and I am planning to make more in the future. This is my ink swatch chart that I am currently using. It's also a freebie which you can print out. Here I have stamped the colors with a house stamp from an older stamp set. I like to keep it this way so I can see which color is from which collection, but I just fell in love with this cute ink swatch tag. I do love rainbows as well, so I have created lots of die cuts to create each color swatch, where I have stamped the color names on each like previously. This video is also a part of the Swatch It Like It's Hot YouTube hop. After you watch my video, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment along all the hop stops for your chance to be lucky winner of a $100 gift card to the Carnivale shop. Now that's a lot of ink, right? The mini ink pad look-alike swatches are done, and they look so super cute, aren't they? Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a sweet day. Bye!